Mackerel, a nutrient-rich fish belonging to the Scombridae family, is celebrated not only for its delicious flavor but also for its impressive health benefits. With a high concentration of essential nutrients, mackerel has gained recognition in the medical community for its role in promoting overall health. This article explores the medical benefits of mackerel, supported by scientific evidence. Nutritional profile: mackerel is an excellent source of high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. A 100-gram serving of mackerel typically contains 200-250 calories, 20-25 grams of protein, 10-15 grams of fat, mainly healthy omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins B12, D, and selenium. The combination of these nutrients makes mackerel a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Heart health: one of the most significant health benefits of mackerel is its positive impact on heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA eicosapentaenoic acid and DHA docosahexaenoic acid, found in mackerel have been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce triglycerides, and decrease the risk of heart disease. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that individuals who consumed omega-3 rich fish, such as mackerel, had a significantly lower risk of cardiovascular events, including heart attacks and strokes. Brain health: mackerel is also beneficial for brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids play a crucial role in maintaining cognitive function and protecting against neurodegenerative diseases. Research published in the journal Nutritional Neuroscience indicates that regular consumption of omega-3 fatty acids is associated with improved cognitive performance and a reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, DHA is a major component of brain tissue, and adequate intake is essential for optimal brain function throughout life. Anti-inflammatory properties: chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Mackerel's high omega-3 content helps combat inflammation in the body. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition demonstrated that omega-3 fatty acids can reduce inflammatory markers, thereby lowering the risk of chronic diseases. The anti-inflammatory effects of mackerel can also aid in alleviating symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Eye health: the benefits of mackerel extend to eye health as well. Omega-3 fatty acids are known to play a protective role in maintaining eye function and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration (AMD). Research published in Ophthalmology indicated that a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids is associated with a decreased risk of developing AMD, which is a common cause of vision loss in older adults. Additionally, vitamin D found in mackerel may contribute to overall eye health. Bone health: mackerel is a good source of vitamin D, which is essential for maintaining strong bones. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium, a critical mineral for bone health. A study published in the Journal of Bone and Mineral Research found that adequate vitamin D levels are associated with a lower risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Including mackerel in your diet can help ensure sufficient vitamin D intake, promoting bone health as we age. Conclusion: mackerel is a powerhouse of nutrition that offers numerous health benefits, supported by scientific research. From promoting heart and brain health to providing anti-inflammatory properties and supporting eye and bone health, incorporating mackerel into your diet can lead to improved overall well-being. As with any dietary choice, moderation is key, and it's essential to consider sourcing sustainable fish options. Enjoy mackerel grilled, smoked, or in salads to reap its remarkable health benefits.